All right, so you are here for part 2. Thank you for following me to part 2. And right now, I am just flat ironing the hair to get it straighter. So when I go for the install, the hair will be straight as possible. There's not many flyaways you got to worry about. Here, I'm putting on 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of glue. Okay, it was only like 3 or 4, y'all. Because I like my lace to stay for a certain amount of time. So doing this guarantees me at least 2 to 3 weeks on it not lifting up. So that's the main goal here, okay? So when you do that, you want to push the lace down into the glue and make sure it's secure, and take a comb and press it down and make sure the lace is secure to the glue in your head and it's not lifting. Then of course you cut that excess lace off because you don't need it. We're looking for the hair to be coming out of your scalp, doll. Okay, so you don't need no extra lace around there. It's just going to be in the way. So get rid of that. Cut it off. Here, I'm just going back over the edges with Got To Be Free spray. I've seen this actually put that lace down and melt it a lot more, y'all, when you put that band back around it. So do that and you'll see a big difference in the way your lace is showing in the front. All right. But then you go in with concealer or some type of foundation that matches your skin color. And boom, you go and hide that lace. It disappears. And you keep doing that until it actually looks like it's blended. Like you will know, you'll be able to tell if it's blended enough. You will definitely know. So if you need to remove some of it, you could take a little Q-tip and put some alcohol on it and get the excess off that you need to remove. But definitely make sure it's blended in well. Then come back with that Got To Be Free spray and put that band back on there and let it melt for about 15-20 minutes. You don't have to put it that tight either. Don't cut off your hair circulation trying to get this thing too tight, okay? Because even with the slightest pressure, it's gonna melt that lace for you. All right, so do it tight, but not too tight so where your head's starting to hurt. All right. You know, these colors turned out so beautiful. Them 2 colors turned into a spectacular look. Like, it's actually more than 2 colors when you look deep into the unit. Y'all, this is actually how I wanted my wig to turn out. Like, it just turned out so beautiful. Somebody seen me and said it looked like a fruit roll-up. So we're gonna call this the fruit roll-up color, period. Fruit roll-up color. I can definitely see the fruit roll-up colors. For sure. I'm going to do more videos like this. So send me some recommendations on colors that you guys think I should try. And we're going to keep these videos coming because I think y'all like these type of videos. I didn't do too much styling on this one because I wanted you to for sure see the colors in it. So, but maybe in another video I will post me styling it. I'm thinking about doing some curls in it, using curling rods to get like that little beach curl look. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I can't wait for y'all to see.